Hello friends, welcome back to another interesting video of Power BI Masterclass series. And today we're gonna see how we can get the first product which is ordered by each customers in Power BI. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, what I done was I changed this theme. I just go to this view and I change this to black theme. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll add a table here. So I'll select a table and let's drag it here. Let's add the customer's name. So what I'll do, I'll go to this orders table and I'll have this customer company where I have the customers names. So let's increase the size of it. So let's say let's see 15. Let's increase the column headers also to 15 and make it bold. So we have the customers names and we have the customers. Now what I want is I want the customers count, that is order count. What I'll do, I'll select order ID. So we have order ID. I'll select this. So we have the customers and their orders. So this has been ordered 12 times. So what I want is I want the distinct order. So I'll go to this add visuals, and instead of just count, I'll select distinct count. So Alfred's has ordered 6 times unique products. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I want the product name. I don't want the this count of how many times the Alfred has been ordered. I want the product name. So what I'll do, I'll create a measure here. I'll go to this measure and I'll right click on it and I'll select a new measure. Let's name this to, let's say this is my first product ordered. I'll say just first product, and here I'll use an iterator function called maxx. So you might know all x functions are iterator functions. So here we need what? We need a table here, and all x functions, iterator functions, what they need is they need a table. So we'll select a table that is I'll select top n. What this top end does, it returns the given number of top rows according to the specified condition. So what I want is I want only one product. I'll select n value as 1 and the table. And for the table, yeah, and for the table, I'll use a virtual table. So I'll select let's use summarize function. So what this summarize function does, it creates a summary the input tables grouped by the specified columns. So what I want is I want the dates in the first column and I want the product names, and I want to group that by the product name by the date, and I want to order what these product names by the first product using this min of date. So that's why I'm using the summarize function here. So what this summarize function does is it creates only a virtual table, so it doesn't require any space to create a table. So that means it doesn't store any data. So here I'll use a table called sales table. So sales table, where we have sales table. So we have orders table. Yeah. See where we have product name. We have product name. Yeah, we have product name in orders table. So I'll select orders table here. Orders table, this one. And I need what? Group by. So group by the dates table date, group by the date, and another group by product name. Group by product name and the dates table. I want these two columns, and I'll close this. And this is my table. And order by, for the order by, what I'll do, I'll use let's say calculate function. I'll use a calculate function, and for the expression I'll use min of dates table, date, this one, and I'll close this, and order by ascending order. What I want is I want the first order, so I'll use ascending order, and I'll close this. And for the expression, what I want was I want the product name, so I'll use product name from the orders table. I'll explain it just a minute. Let's format this first. Shift enter, tab. So what I've done is I use this max iterator function. What I want was I want the max of uh, this expression. This is the table. So here we use the top end function, and we only need only one value. So that's why we used one here. And for the table here we use the virtual table, which contains what? Which contains the date and this product name. So this is a group of it. So we have the dates here, dates when the product is ordered, and we have the product names. Yeah. Then here we ordered this by the minimum of date. So minimum of date, what it does, it will returns the oldest date which has been ordered. Now here we have ordered this by ascending order. Yes. And here you can see for the expression we used product name. So this top end function, this from here to here we have this table, and in this table we have the product name which is ordered by the minimum of date. Minimum of date means here we have the oldest date. So we want what from this table? We want only the product name. Yeah. And I'll hit enter. Let's see it will work or not. So let's select the table, and let's select our measure. Here it is, first product. Now let's order this. It's, you can see, so save a lot market. So he or she has been ordered 31 times the unique orders, and their first product order was veggie spreads. And Ernst Handel, 30 times they have ordered the unique products. And Marcus Spawn, this Marcus Spawn Fabule, there's the first product they have been ordered. So this is how we solve this problem. That